Alright, so I'm going to be making a video on selling Theta to your Remitalo engine wallet, and then basically the process of selling Theta to your Remitalo engine wallet. So from the home page, you just go to peer-to-peer exchange. Peer-to-peer exchange. Now, in this case, what I want to sell is Theta. I want to sell about 21.76 worth of Theta. Okay, and this time I want to sell it to my it seems I will get a better amount using transfer. Okay, so I would sell it to my GT Bank, I guess. Yes, since this person is online, sell it to my GT Bank. Okay, yes, I would like to sell to this person, and then you confirm your payment details, continue, and then your trade is open. All you have to do now is wait for the buyer to send you your payments. Okay, so I just received payments for the USDT. So now that I've received payments, I just got a credit alert. Now that I've received payments, I can now confirm I have received payments, and now confirming this will release my USDT. So yep, now that is done, I have successfully sold this to Lydia. So that's about it.